Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, May the 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku. And you are interested in the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number, let me see which number it will be, 8478. And before I start, I always count up pretty digits. 16 pretty digits. Well, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Well, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, this one is real quick to solve without comparing. Yes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. Until then, bye-bye for now.